Plate tectonics, multiple choice. Identify the choice that best completes the statement or answers the question. 1. The crust and upper mantle make up the Earth's A. Lithosphere, B. Asthenosphere, C. Core, D. Continents. 2. Scientists have observed that the plates move at rates ranging from 1 centimeter to 2 to 12 centimeters per A. century, B. decade, C. day, or D. year. 3. Plates of the lithosphere float on the A. crust, B. asthenosphere, C. core, or D. atmosphere. 4. The result of plate movements can be seen at A. abyssal plains, B. ocean margins, C. plate centers, or D. plate boundaries. 5. Plates move apart at blank boundaries. A. Convergent, B. Stable, C. Divergent, or D. Transform. 6. Plates slide past one another at A. Subduction zones, B. Transform boundaries, C. Convection currents, D. Divergent boundaries. 7. The boundary between two plates moving together is called A. Divergent boundary, B. Convergent boundary, C. Transform boundary, or D. Lithosphere. 8. Blank currents inside Earth might drive plate motion. A. Vertical, B. Convection, C. Horizontal, or D. None of the above. 9. Scientists believe that differences in blank cause hot plastic-like rocks in the asthenosphere to rise toward Earth's surface. A. Density, B. Magnetism, C. Weight, or D. Composition. 10. In order to complete a convection current, the rising material must eventually blank Earth. A. Stop inside, B. Cool, C. Sink back into, or D. Warm. 11. The Great Rift Valley in Africa is a blank. A. Mid-ocean ridge, B. Divergent boundary, C. Convergent boundary, or D. Transform boundary. And 12. The Andes mountain range of South America was formed at a blank. A. Convergent boundary, B. Divergent boundary, C. Hotspot, or D. Transform boundary. 13. Active volcanoes are most likely to form at blank. A. Transform boundaries, B. Divergent boundaries, C. The center of continents, or D. Convergent oceanic continental boundaries. 14. Blanks are formed when two continental plates collide. A. Volcanoes, B. strike-slip faults, C. Mountain ranges, or D. rift valleys. 15. The blank is an example of a transform boundary. A. Appalachian Mountains, B. Himalaya, C. Mid-Atlantic Ridge, or D. San Andreas Fault. 16. A blank forms where two oceanic plates collide. A. Hotspot. B. Subduction zone. C. Transform boundary. Or D. Rift valley. According to figure 10.1, what type of plate boundary occurs between the North American plate and the Eurasian plate? A. Transform boundary. B. Divergent boundary. C. Convergent oceanic continental plate boundary. Or D. Convergent oceanic plate boundary. 18. According to figure 10.1, what type of plate boundary occurs between the Nazca plate and South American plate? A. Convergent oceanic continental plate boundary. B. Convergent oceanic plate boundary. C. Convergent continental plate boundary. Or D. Transform boundary. 19. The alignment of iron-bearing minerals in rocks when they are formed reflects the fact that Earth's blank has reversed itself several times in its past. A. Magnetic field. B. Core. C. Asthenosphere. Or D. Gravity. 20. The lack of explanation for continental drift prevented many scientists from believing a single supercontinent called blank once existed. A. Glomar. B. Glossopteris. C. Pangea. D. Mesosaurus. Matching. Match each term with the correct statement below. A. Mid-ocean ridge. B. Convergent boundary. C. Asthenosphere. D. Subduction zone. And E. Continental drift. 21. Earth's thick plastic-like layer is the blank. 22. Plates move together at a blank. 23. One plate is forced under another in a blank. 24. A blank is an underwater mountain chain. Short answer. 25. What is the difference between a convergent and a divergent plate boundary? 26. In what direction does warmer material move in a convection current? 27. How were the Andes mountain range in the Himalayas formed differently?